going on, everybody? We're back. How we doing? AMC right at 33. We're still crushing it on those Apple calls. SPY selling off a little bit here. I mean, let's see if we're going to see that trend continue with SPY coming into the end of the day and just being like, I'm going to go home and just sell off. But AMC looking really, really strong today. Let's see some more boom boom candles here. We've got GameStop earnings after hours. How we doing, everybody? Very, very solid day so far. I'm going to need Apple to start ripping here. Theta is starting to get me a little bit. Not really I mean, like, not a crazy amount. They're still up like 200 something percent. But if SPY starts to get going, Apple starts to get going, that would be very, very sweet. How we doing, everybody? We feeling good? Good evening from Dubai. There we go. Just got a coffee, so I'm good, says Trey's mustache. There you go. I mean, I'm feeling a little tired, but you guys will probably wake me back up. Oh, little boom boom here on AMC. Here we go. 33.19. Here we go. Let's get some. Oh, we were so close to 34 today. 33.92. Jeez. I think we still got it in us. I think we still got it. Mad Hatter, what's going on? What's up, y'all? Nice looking bull flag for AMC on the 30-minute. Oh, let's take a look. Oh, yeah. 5-minute, kind of similar. Yeah, it's ready to get going. Let's see what happens with Apple here and SPY. I mean, TLT's just been doing its random thing today. I think I haven't even really looked at it. I'm kind of happy I didn't take any of those SPY trades that I was looking at. Again, remember when we were talking about it, you'd have to bottom ticket and then top ticket in order to make a decent amount of money. Like the range here, 466.83 to 469. That's a $2 move. I mean, you could hit a decent one, but you'd have to really play it perfectly, and it's very, very hard to do that. So AMC getting to move back up. Stayed out of SPY today. Maybe we'll mess around with it tomorrow, but let's see how we're doing. Pretty sure we're breaking 34 today, says Eric. Here we go. You came for the boom? I did, Clay. Holding 2,200 shares, says Venny. There you go. DocuSign, good call opportunity for a massive gap fill. CEO just reported he bought over $4 million worth of stock. Problem is the premium is going to be jacked. Like, it's going to be insane. You need a giant move on Docu because the implied volatility is going to be wild. Like, it is up decent today, up 10%. What are the contracts up? I would say that they're all up below 50% today. Oh, that is very, 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 very strange to see. All right, then. Looks like Docu wants to make a move back up, huh? On the weekly. Geez, I did not expect that at all. Typically, when we see those really start to sell off like that, and then we see the stocks bounce back, the premium just gets jacked, and because the market's just going to price in those big moves. I guess not for Docu this time. Interesting. So if you're in on Docu, congratulations. You're absolutely crushing it today. 600 something percent gains if you got in yesterday. SPY coming back up. We're going to need Apple to get going here. I want Apple 175. I'm holding. I'm still holding those Apple weeklies. Here we go, people. Let's see. All right. AMC 3304. Doing pretty good. Tomorrow is the day I can feel it in my bones. It could be. Can you check JAGX? Don't laugh at the chart, but it was my first trade, and I'm still in and so red on it. Yeah. Yeah, we can take a look at it. Let's take a look over here. Year to date. Oh, boy. This thing has done nothing but gone down besides, like, beginning of the year. What is this? M? Reverse split. Not good. Reverse split's never good. Usually they do that to try to stay on an exchange. Apple, there we go. AMC 3303 still. There we go, people. Oh, snap. Well, Simple just announced coming soon U.S. accounts, so no more getting hit with 1.5% commission fee on buys and sells. I think Canada just got the best commission-free trading platform. Interesting, Ryan. That would be sweet. All right, let's see. Oh, Apple. Come on, get up to 175. That would be sweet. SPY coming up. Let's see if AMC can get a little pop here. 33 right now. What's GME at? GME 176.13, down about 1% on the day leading into earnings. Let's see what happens. Hold on, let me. All right, here we go. Quest Trade is better than Wealth Simple in Canada by far. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know a whole lot about those brokerages, but I mean, you got to deal with what you got. All right, 3303 on AMC. SPY coming down a little bit. How are we doing, everybody? Craig, what's up, man? How you doing? Yeah, also, if you guys don't mind, just dropping some likes on the stream. It just helps get some more people in here. Gets it recommended out to some more people. So, yeah, thank you guys. All right. AMC getting a little pop here. Getting a little poppy. Have I talked about GME? Yeah. Right here, 176.37. I mean, they do have earnings today. Typically with GME's earnings, you can't really look at it like a lot of people that own AMC and GME, but are more focused on AMC, like in like Twitter and Reddit and all of that. They expect GME's earnings in the call to be similar to how AMC runs it, with lots of investor participation, lots of questions being asked, and special surprises. But GME they didn't do that last time, and that disappointed a lot of people. Does that mean that their earnings weren't good? No, not at all. It's just retail was expecting something else, and that's not necessarily what they got. So don't get your hopes too high for any earnings in general. Just roll with what they're going to give you. Good afternoon. What's up, Matt, synthetic girlfriend? What is going on, people? Here we go. All right. SPY selling off a little bit. AMC still above 33. Here we go. Am I gonna have Keenan on the show this weekend? We could. I'll see what Keenan's up to, and then we can kind of go from there. But I definitely want to have somebody on. What's going on, guys? What's up, man? Wants to see a dip before GME earnings? I mean, you could. Just out of interest, how did you choose the name for your channel? It is what do you call it? It's from a show. Trey's mustache. Thank you so much for the super. I really appreciate it, man. Thanks for checking. Here's $5 for the haircut fund. Here it goes again with the haircut jokes. Here we go. I can take it. You guys want to make haircut jokes? That's fine. I'll just make jokes about you too. Problem is that it's Trey's mustache, so it's very hard to make jokes about. But thanks for that super. I appreciate it, man. Live stream again. Nice. Greetings from Germany. Yeah, so we do the streams at 8:45 in the morning, and then we come back on at 2. AMC popping up a little bit here. Same thing with Apple. Let's do a quick Ortex update on AMC. We've got, it's going to flash. Oh, it didn't flash this time. That's nice. All right, so we have the estimated short interest now down around 18.98%. We were up above 19% earlier on today, but we did see a lot of shares start to get returned. So the borrowed change, 298,000 shares have been returned on a net basis on AMC today. Do your wrench capital impression. I mean, today with me being a little bit under the weather, it could be pretty good. Like, it could be a really good one. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Wrench Capital. All right. I think I got an issue. SPY finally going up, and my calls might print money, but Questrade wants an exercise decision at 2 p.m. Yeah, that happens. What did you have? I thought you had like I mean, you might have had the 468s. Those aren't doing terrible right now. You just tell them I don't want to exercise it. That's what I would do. I got like a forced liquidation warning the other day when I had SPY calls, and they were like, we're going to liquidate you like towards the end of the day. And I was like, please don't. Let me just hold them. I'm not going to exercise. Like, you really think I've got, I don't know, $46,000, almost $46,000 per contract laying around to exercise? Who do you think I am, Weeble? All right. Apple doing good. AMC popping back up here, 33.15, up 6.8%. Here we go. Holy smokes, you sounded really close to his voice. I told you guys. I got what do you call it? I got a good impression. Do it again? Nah. Ryan's got 471 for $33. Well, I don't know why they're asking you about an exercise decision, because they're not in the money. Maybe like an auto exercise type of deal. GME 175.63, not doing so bad. What's up, SCV? Love your content. Keep it up. Drone active advocate. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. All righty. Hold up. Checking out something over here. Bump, bump, bump. Makes sense. All righty, here we go. Yeah, they do that all the time when options expire. That's weird, man. That is very strange. All right. Come on now. All right, here we go. AMC 3307, doing pretty solid right now. Apple, I'm gonna need you to get going to the upside. Come on now. No more playing around. We got like hour and 50 minutes left. Let's go. You're back. Time for Amy to run. Yes, sir. Let's do it. How are these apples doing? Not bad. 184% right now. Freaking take it. Amy coming down a little bit here. Closing above 33 today, Apes. That would be sweet. Right now we're at 32.88. All right. Will you see him dreamy earnings call? Maybe. It's possible. 33 sounds solid. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. 18.9%. Yeah. All right. Amy trying to get back above that $33 mark. Here we go, people. All right. SPY trying to come back up here. Apple not doing a whole lot. AMC 32.90 doing its thing. Let's see. Good afternoon, babyface AMC 8. What's going on, man? What is going on? Do it again. What's up, guys? It's just my voice is struggling today. Struggling over here. All right. Let's see. Yeah, if there's any other stocks you guys want to look at too, just let me know. We are currently just really focusing on AMC. Apple selling off now for literally no reason. So is SPY coming down a little bit. GME, not really. I mean, AMC coming down a little bit as well. Let's see what happens here. This is usually around the time where we start to see the SPY start to sell. But let's see. It's been a little bit weird this week. Like things have not been matching up the way that they should. Like TLT, if you look at it, it's just been doing weird. Like TLT might be coming down right now with the, I mean, it's making a little bit of a move back up, but overall TLT has been on a significant downtrend today. We have not really seen it reflected in the SPY, which is different. We usually see it. All righty. Oops. All right. Here we go, people. 32.91. Here we go. SPY coming down. Apple doing its thing. AMC trying to get back up above 33. Here we go, everybody. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Apple trying, SPY trying. Here we go. Anyone looking at wax? No. CDTX. What's that? Very low volume. I don't know what this thing is. Commercialization of therapeutics designed to care patients. Fungal infections. Ooh, that sounds interesting. A little bit interesting there. Protect short interest went down a tiny bit. Yeah, when we had it up over here, it's 18.98%. They returned a little bit more shares today, so I don't know. Let's see how it goes. AMC to 50 today. That would be sweet. I mean, I don't see us getting there, but that's a big jump. That'd be like a 60% jump. Right now we're at 32.84. Trying to make that move back up. Let's see. All righty. Yeah. Also, for all you new people coming in, make sure you guys are dropping some likes on the stream. Help get some more people in here. We got AMC doing its thing here, coming down a little bit. 32.73. Apple messing around. SPY, it's trying to do its thing here, but we're seeing. I mean, Market really hasn't been able to pick a big direction today. We've seen AMC have an absolutely awesome day. We're up 5.67% right now leading into GameStop's earnings. GameStop down 1.37%. This move on AMC today, very, very solid. Let's see here. Yeah, I have no idea what this 369 thing is. I'm not sure. Amy, Apple, what you doing here? What you doing? All right. Let's see. AMC's still in the range. SPY is down in the range as well. Same thing with Apple. We're going to need to see a little bit of a break here coming up. It's only traded in the dark pool. Matt synthetic girlfriends. Interesting. I mean, I don't think we're going to dip. I think we're getting some momentum coming in here. I don't know. I mean, unless GameStop's earnings is disappointing and we see all of the stocks in that basket start to sell off, we're starting to see us come up off of that dip. So, I mean, we could, according to a lot of the theories that some people are putting out, like you guys are saying, it could dip. If it does, well, okay, they're just going to short it more and we can get over that 20% estimated short interest. Is that a bad thing? No, that's great. It puts more pressure on these institutions. Plus, what's the volume today on AMC? 39 million so far with about an hour and 45 minutes left. We'll probably stay within like, I don't know, 50, 60 million shares traded. That's still pretty low compared to what we've seen on AMC. Days to cover is going to keep going up with all the shorts coming in. It's just continuous trapping of the shorts. Well, you're different. Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you, Parkat. I appreciate it, buddy. All right. Everything's starting to sell off a little bit here in a very annoying way for like no reason. Carbon neutral by 2050. Yeah, nothing really happening here. Vix, what up, bud? Not much, Andrew. How you doing, man? Superstitious. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, I don't know anything about it. So AMC is at 33. AMC is at 32.55. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, hopefully you guys that got into some SPY trades today are making a little bit of money. I didn't. It wasn't look like it was going to pick a direction today. Like a very, very flat day so far. It honestly is flat right now, 0.01% in the green. Nothing really happening. I mean, Apple crushing it still, but I need more out of that. It is superstitious. Interesting. You watching DocuSign a little bit, but those contracts are going nutty right now with that 10% move, which doesn't make a lot of sense, especially with everything that happened when it tanked on earnings. Like, even if it's going to bounce back like that, like I wouldn't expect to see those crazy premium inflations. Like, that's a weird one. Avocados coming. Oh, what's up, Mass Gang? How are we doing, everybody? Wired, what's going on? The open interest exploded to 20,000 contracts for the January 2022 10, and even the weekly for this week at 20,000. Oh, interesting. The open interest exploded 20,000 plus contract for January 22 10. Interesting. So if they're selling it, which depending on, I mean, unusual whales might have it, but the 10, it's at 19,000. I mean, we've seen this before. We've seen it at about 20,000. But like, think about it. All of these contracts are like the most open interest. Well, we have it at 10. They're not getting it below 10. We have it at 20, like 25,000 at 20. I don't see them getting it down below 20. So like they're still screwed. And we have, let's see, 51,000 at 40. That's big. And the danger zone could be around then there too. So let's see. I'm very, very bullish going forward into January. We could see a lot of volatility going into the Fed meeting, but other than that, like I think we're gonna get ready for a nice move. What's up, Mass Gang? How are we doing? Everybody sent here by TMI. What up, STV? What's going on, guys? Thanks for all coming in over there. You guys have been so supportive of the streams recently. I really, really appreciate it. I still love you, STV. What's up? Oh, you were talking about RBAC. Interesting. Interesting. All right, here we go. Can we get Ortex on Prog? Absolutely. You guys can get whatever you want. Ortex on Prog. Let's see. So we have 11.19% short interest. I mean, I'm still expecting it to go up with the price action that we've seen on it. Utilization still at 99.85. The utilization on it should come down a little bit. It would make sense for it to come down. It hasn't, but we'll see. I mean, Apple's still doing good. I want it back up at that 174.80 level. We're gonna need to see SPY get some bullish momentum. DocuSign coming back up. Trey's mustache. Thank you for the super. Hit the like button on the way in. Yeah, if you guys don't mind, all of the new people coming in, just dropping some likes on the stream just helps get some more people in here. Shout out to TMI for sending all you guys over here. We are gonna have some fun going into close. We got AMC 3263 up 5.12%, doing very, very solid still. I mean, still crushing it on these Apple plays. If you guys were able to get into some Apple trades yesterday on that 170 breakout, you're doing good. AMC trying to pop back above 33 right now. Let's see if we can do it. Let's see. When do you predict the market makers will hedge those January options as we keep moving up? I mean, probably around 2 or 3 weeks before the expiration date. 2 or 3 weeks before the expiration date. That's typically when we've seen the big moves ahead of a big options day. So like June, when we saw the big move, well, it was the June 18th, but we started to move at the end of May, beginning of June. Now for January, what is it? The 22nd or something? Yeah. So right after, so first week of January could be good, or last week of December, but we're gonna have to wait and see. Oh, Rhode Island, thanks for the super. Don't be so bossy, Chase Mustache. Hit the like, please. Greg, what's up, man? Let's see. Vix, do you know what calls and puts Citadel has? No, nobody does. Nobody knows the strike or the expiration. But with these institutions looking like they're trying to hide short interest and where the most of the open interest is, it's probably those deep in the money contracts. And they're selling them. But again, when we look at the Fintel data in the 13F filings, you only get long options positions. You don't see anything that they've sold. So you're not going to know which institutions could even be potentially trying to hide their short interest. So that's something that we need as well. We need a lot more short interest in position transparency is what we need. DocuSign is ripping right now. Whoa, Matt's duck suspenders. Thanks for that big super, man. I really appreciate it. Got to support my money makers. Thanks for all you do. Matt's duck suspenders. Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate it. AMC looking like it wants to go here at 32.73. Here we go. Come on, SPY's coming back up here too. Apple making a move here. I might ditch these Apple contracts today, take that gain and mess around going into the end of the week. Maybe I'll leave one. I've got 3 of them right now at the 172.50. But those are up pretty good right now. Yeah, that was very generous. Thank you so much. What do you want for my birthday? You guys have seen my birthday candle before. Right here. That's my birthday candle. Boom, big green. So out of all the AMC YouTubers or AMC content creators, you guys really want it to be my birthday again, because that's when we started the big run. That was a wild birthday present on AMC, just absolutely going nuclear that day. And then over the next couple of days, oh, that was sweet. All right, let's see. We got AMC 32.73. Apple. Oh my God. What was that move right there? That was a giant candle on Apple, just erupted all the way up to 175. So technically, I was right. Apple at 175, end of day. Oh my God. What is going on here? This is exploding right now. Who did that? Who did that? Who was that one? Jeez. That was like a giant. Whoa, whoa, Apple. Oh my God. These contracts just ripped. I got to take one here. I have to take one off the table here. I have to take one. At least one. Like, I have to sell one here. Yeah. Okay. I took one there. That was nuts. That was absolutely insane. Jesus. Well, that's a great way to start ending off the day today with this giant random Apple move. All right. I don't even need to sell half. I just sold one. Now it's free with some profit, I think. Take profits, bud. Don't leave it out there. No, I'm going to get greedy. I'm just kidding. I probably should sell another one right now. You're right. I'll take one right here. See what that gets me. You're not going to fill me on that? That's rude. You guys are... All right, I'll sell one again there. Are you kidding me? Oh, there it is. Boom. All right, I've sold two. I have one more. Let's see if we can get another big rip here. AMC looking for that push above 33. Let's do it. That was an absolutely dirty trade. Dirty. Oh my God. Hey, I mean, I did call it Apple 175 end of day. Here it goes again. Here, geez, look at this thing. Look at this thing. It just doesn't show any signs of. All right, sorry. I'm getting too excited. Getting too excited. Back to Amy. Sorry. Apologize. I know you guys don't care about my Apple trades at all. All right, SPY. Amy, 32.74. There we go. Oh, Bob Dolan, thank you so much for the super. I really appreciate it, man. That was very generous too. Thank you. You're awesome at STV. Enjoy all of your content. Thank you. Hey, Jack says, Bradley, what's up, Bradley? How you doing? Made over 2K today on AMC calls. Yep, took profits. There you go. Yo, Vix, we missed it. We had a whole classroom in TMI chat and everybody was being good. That's kind of wild. You would have loved it. Hey, I mean, I hate going to class, but let's see. Mass Gang, what's going on, people? Hold on. TMI send me a couple of messages over here. Let's see what we got. Send me your live links so I can. Hold on, I'm sending a message to TMI real quick. All righty, here we go. Here we go, people. Also, that was just like on Apple there. That was so unexpected, but awesome. That was absolutely dirty. I mean, I still have another one. Do I leave it or do I just... I think I sold two at 365. I think that's what I did. Now they're at 385. I mean, that was just dirty. Oh, not a hedge fund. Thank you for that. Super. Make Amy go up. I know you got it in you. I mean, I can try. Wired says, I tracked that Apple move 10 minutes ago. Facebook is next. Oh, that would be dirty. Hit that like if you like rockets. Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, STV. You are an integral part of our movement. Thank you. What are your thoughts on Rico? He seems to be onto something. The Wyckoff theory, I like it. But I got to look more into it. Jeez, Apple. What was my Apple trade? I bought two. I've yesterday when Apple broke above 170, I bought three of the 172 50s. So Apple's now at 175.60, and I'm gonna hold this last contract and try to make the most of it because that was an absolutely dirty trade right there, and I want more. People are saying take profits. I already did. Let's get greedy, huh? Let's get. Oh, it is absolutely going insane. Do I wish I held more of them? Yeah, but at the same time, I still got one. Oh, Apple 176. I think it might do it. AMC 3264. Killing it over here, everybody. Yeah, also, if you guys don't mind, just dropping some likes on the stream helps get some more people in here. And if you guys like these streams, it helps YouTube like show you these streams more. So you guys can come back whenever you would like to. But geez, Apple, thank you very much. Very appreciative. AMC 3270. Looking for that move back up. We have to touch 32.25 on Amy. You don't have to. Everybody says that we have to. We don't have to. What is this? Is that VWAP? Yeah, I mean, that's at VWAP. We could, and then start bouncing back up. But the market's looking strong right now. Apple looking like an absolute monster. What is your method to spot a good options trade? It depends on the day. It depends on what I'm looking at. Apple, it was literally just playing the all-time high breakout and good news that they had. The SPY trades that I have are mainly based on technicals or bond moves. The earnings trades are literally based on a little bit of math and the companies that I know and I've seen move on earnings before. There's a lot of different ways that you can do it, but this one just happened to be absolutely nice. And I had a decent amount of money in there. M. Krieg said, what's considered a lot of contracts to buy? Like 5? It depends. It's more about like a dollar amount for me. She always comes back to VWAP. Yeah, she typically does, but what are these? What did these go to? Jeez. Well, let's see how this goes. GME 174.83. We got AMC 32.67. Ooh. Can you check Fintel, like Baliazi Management LLC closed their put position? Yeah, I can look at that. Whoa, Trey's mustache. Thank you for that giant super, dude. You guys don't have to do that. Thank you guys so much. Can't have everyone outdoing me on super chats. Jeez, man. Thank you so much. Spy's getting a move here. Apple is coming back down now after that absolutely nuclear move that it just went on. Amy looking like it wants to try and get back above 32.75. It's trying very, very hard, but let's see if it can do it. A close above 33 today would be awesome. VIX is climbing again. Couldn't get under 20. Yeah. Just wait till Brandon Burns gets in here. His super chats go crazy. Oh, he's the comedian, right? Yeah, thank you so much, Trey's mustache. I really appreciate it, man. Super chat squeeze? What is that? All right. Come on, Amy. All right. AMC back above 32.75. Come on. Let's do it. Come on. Let's do it. We crushed it on Apple. We need Amy to get back above 33. All right. Do I just take this last Apple contract and run? I feel like that's what we do. I feel like that's the smart move. You sound like Morty when you say geez. I've never seen that. She's going to gush when she gets that whop. Yeah. All right. Here we go. If Apple starts going again, that's going to be dirty. I also apologize for my voice today. I am a little bit sick. I am feeling a little bit better, though, after being on the stream. So thank you guys. 32.77 on Amy. I had a dream to see STV with a ponytail, said the OREV. That's a bit strange. STV about to find out about what? What's going on, guys, is all I hear now. You are a pretty great live streamer. I appreciate it. I mean, it's nice when you hit giant trades on stream and not lose all of your money. It's always good when that happens. But also at the same time, I have AMD and PayPal calls right now, which are not doing good. So Apple is saving the day. All right, Amy, 21 more cents and we can get back above 33. Here we go. What up, Jack Frost? What's up, people? Still hungover from the weekend? No. PayPal ripped with Apple? No, it didn't. No, it didn't. Oh, a little bit. All right. I'll take it. Here we go. SCV, I told you, bro. SD, you did. All right. Amy, come on now. What do we got on GME? 175.18. We got AMC trying to get back up to 33. We got Apple 175.16 doing its thing here. Protect that ego. What ego? I didn't do anything. SCV is Jimmy Neutron grown up. Yeah. It's not like I've heard that one before with my hair. Haha. All right, people. Let's have some fun. We got about an hour and a half left to go in the market. Let's do it. Let's get Amy back above 33, huh? Let's see. My SPY put's getting hammered. I mean, the YOLO SPY put hedges that I had got hammered too. Jeez, Matt's duck suspenders. Thank you for the supers, guys. I stubbed my toe. Damn you, Trey's mustache. Stop outdoing me. Jeez, guys. STV long on Trojan, short on STDs? I guess so. Pickle? What are you guys talking about pickles now? Yeah, I have a lot of alter egos. I'm toothless. Amy, come on now. Come on now, Amy. You can do it. Get that push here. Get that push. All right. I think we're going to ditch that last Apple contract at 360. I think that's what we're going to do. Just going to let it go. Let it go. All right. We are now out of Apple. And we are doing good on PayPal now. That's good. AMD down 43% on my contracts. My PayPals are up 9. So that's not bad. Amy looking like it wants to push here. Prog is trying. SB, you need some honey for that voice, homie? Yeah, I know, dude. I know. Smash that like guy, says Pam. SB, what are your thoughts on some $42 March calls? I mean, that's not bad. They're probably not that expensive now. I'm probably gonna, I don't know, where are these at right now? That's so bad. Jeez. Oh man. Some of my AMC calls are down horrendously. Some of them are still alive. One of them down really horrendously. It's down bad. Oh my God. Trey's mustache, dude. Guys, you don't have to do that. Thank you guys so much. Trey's mustache says, I have to win this. Jeez. How much did I make off Apple? I think around $800. Let me look. I think I made 800 on Apple. Pinot, I'll tell you guys right now. Trading Pinot. Apple. Hold on. Custom. Done. That's wrong. It says I made $89. That's incorrect. What if it's this? Hold on. I'll tell you guys. That's just incorrect. I don't know what it's talking about here. It's just wrong. That's so weird. It's not giving me the number. I don't know exactly what it is, but I think it was like $800. Okay, you guys are going crazy now. All right. Matt Stuck Suspenders, thank you so much for the super. Here's another 5. Get that haircut you were talking about. I need to really, 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 really bad. Like really bad. Bob Dolan, good day today. Dude, thank you guys so much for these supers. You guys don't have to do that. Thank you. Jazz Cabbage says super chat squeeze. Thank you guys. Richard Francois, that's an awesome name. I like that name a lot. Super chat squeeze. Love it. Thank you guys so much. L. Randall says, here's $350 for your dental work. Thank you. I appreciate it, guys. You guys are so generous today. Thank you. That's the squeeze price, 800. No. I made like 800 on Apple today. That's what it was. Closing my shorts on the super chat. Logan, thank you, man. SCV sounds like the front man from Squid Games. Feel better, bro? Yeah, I mean, I feel good right now. I mean, I feel a little bit better. When I'm like not doing anything and I'm sitting around and not streaming, I feel bad. But then when I'm on stream, I feel a lot better. So I'm like doing something. M. Kriegs, thanks for the super. Shit is getting real. Hashtag Jack Attack. Thank you, M. Kriegs. All right, Amy, 3281. Here we go. Yeah, Apple came down. That was a good sell. I'm trying to figure out how much it was because it's not telling me. History. No, P&L. Why is it not doing this? I need my realized P&L. Apple. Oh, no, hold on. Now it says I'm down on Apple. That makes no sense. I like turtles, says Ass Tapper. Thank you, man. When Jack Attack back, that is me. My name is Jack, for you guys that don't know. Grumpy says, I'm down 2K on my daily plays. What's another 5? Thank you, man. Paper Hands Lupe says, don't like being left out. Geez, guys, you guys are so generous. You guys don't have to do that. You guys just saw me make a bunch of money on Apple. I can't even talk. 3280 on AMC. Here we go. Now, aren't you glad you took profit? Yes. I mean, I had to. It ripped to like 176. Those were dirty. Those were some dirty Apple trades right there. So, I mean, hopefully we can hit some more of those before the end of the year and really boost the cash balance up going into 2021. Happy birthday, SCV. It's not my birthday. Give us an geez. Geez. SCV, look at cost quick. Yeah. All right. Costs ripping right now. Jeez. Do you think crypto will take a hit when MOS begins? It could. SD, thank you so much for the super. Thanks, Vix. Cost is getting going here. I mean, why is this not on the... This looks a little weird here. Very, very strange. Jen says, F. Kenny, thanks for your insight and brains. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. TMI's box says it can't be left out. Thank you guys so much. Guys, it's not my birthday. My birthday's on May 27th. It's not my birthday. I just showed you guys where my birthday candle was. It's back here, right here. I don't have this highlighted and boxed out because it's my birthday. I have it boxed out for a different reason, but this is my birthday candle right here back in May. I was on the golf course and AMC ripped up to 30 and I was like, this is great. Oh, Apple coming back here. Here we go. All right, we need to get AMC on the daily. BBIG Ortex? Guys, oh, I know what you're doing. It's not my birthday though, guys. That's not how it works. Jeez, George, thank you for the supers, guys. This is insane. If it wasn't for you, TMI and Trey, I would have sold for a loss. Thanks for always giving the community the strength to hold. You're up, Trey's facial hair. George, thank you, man. I appreciate it. Vegas, thank you, man. This is for the pre-worn shirt you sold me. I did. I guess I did that. I guess I did do that. All right. Come on, Amy. We need you back above 33. That's what we want right here. We don't necessarily want, we want Amy back above 33. That's what we want. Come on now. Come on now. Here we go. Every day is STV's birthday too, I guess. I guess, man. STV being cheated like a cam girl. I guess. The jack attack is happening, but with money. College is no more now. I didn't go to class today. I just did this instead. And I was sick. So if on this specific day, I needed an excuse to not go to class, I have one, which is good. Usually I don't. Okay, that's not true. I'm working. I stream and I make videos on the internet and I talk to you guys all day. You guys can be my excuse to not go to accounting class or biology class, which I did have today that I didn't go to. What's my OnlyFans? It's probably Jack Attack, isn't it? That's probably what my OnlyFans would be. GameStop, 175.31. Here we go. SPY is literally not doing a whole lot right now. I mean, why? We don't need Apple up anymore. We're out of here. Let's put up Prog or something else that you guys want to see. I was being selfish having out. Ooh, Apple, Prog. Here we go. Up 2.5. Tendies. Thank you for the super. Now I'm in. My daughter's in 522 and my wife's is 528. How much for your hoodie? I think they're like 30. I think that's how much they are. I tried to make them as cheap as I could. AMC to the moon, hood to the toilet. Great stream, STV. Thank you, Clam. I appreciate it, man. Can you look at Sens? Yeah, Supermom. Thank you so much. Classes are mostly PowerPoint anyways. Yeah, it's stupid. Going to classes is honestly, it's very, very worthless. I mean, all right. Sens. Sens is hinging on that FDA approval. That's what it is. If they get, I think it's the 90-day CGM, the continuous glucose monitoring system, approved in the US, then they will, then they're going to most likely really start to rip and their fundamentals and their revenue is going to increase. So that could be a good one. If it doesn't get approved, most likely it'll get approved eventually. But it's already approved in Europe. They've already gotten a model approved in the US. So it is looking good. I believe it should be coming in like pretty soon. The sus 4499, thanks for the super. Do any of your professors know about your YouTube or the ape army? One of them does. One of them like really knows, because I had to tell him. I was like, I give him, like, I'm not like, I can't come sometimes, like your class is like right at the time that I need to do stuff. So he does kind of know. Rhode Island says, happy birthday. It's not my birthday. The OREV says, no ape left behind. Thank you. Bliss, thank you guys so much. No, but I'm in Pog. Oh, interesting. Sends approval by the end of the year. That's what I'm thinking. What happened to Zom Zomedica? I mean, they need to. So the problem was with Zom. I believe that they got a decent contract with their, what's it called? True Forma, I think it was. So what happened with them is they kind of just so there was a giant vet facility that only bought one of them, and I was like, I don't know if this is scalable or not. Because if that giant facility only needs one of their products, it's like then they might not be able to run it with the revenue. Yeah, it's tanking. This is way lower than I've seen it in the past. Amy, come on. 32.68 right now on AMC. Let's get GME back up here. Ami, thank you for the super. Forget Chipotle. Here's where you should invest. Motley Fool, $5 on El Pollo, $5 chicken and black beans in a rice bowl. I don't know, man. Chipotle's pretty good. Chipotle's pretty good. How many zeros will super chat allow? I honestly have no idea. Spy pretty flat right now. Sens is having a good day. Amy 32.64 just kind of hanging out. GME getting a little bit of a pop going into the end of the day. Now we got an hour and 15 minutes left. Thank you guys for all the support today. You guys are wild. You guys didn't have to do that. Thank you so much. Do I look at crypto at all? Little bit. I need to get into it more though. Are you streaming GME's earnings? I won't be, but TMI will be, most likely. SV, you do realize why they're wishing you a happy birthday, right? Is it because it's a joke? I think that's what it is. Koss is ripping. Koss was in that basket of. Koss is really going right now. Why is it doing this? It's like showing me multiple days. And I want it on the one day. And it's just being weird. The volume on it is like 0. PayPal going? Oh, boy. Oh, boy. I didn't put that much into PayPal. I was going to get a couple more. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Here we go on PayPal. I guess we're just going to make even more money on some YOLO options today. How much am I up on these? 25%, $70. Nice. Not bad. I think I've got the 197.5. It's not bad there. Amy trying to get that push back up. PayPal really getting going here. Not bad. Not bad. Geo, I like those PayPal plays. I'll hold those. Should have bought more PayPal. Yeah, we ripping tomorrow for me. There we go. If TMI and SV are the future, we are in good hands. Hey, man, we'll try our best. It's because STV's birthday we ripped. We did on my birthday, and it was the second largest percent gain day that AMC's had, I believe. Disney is set to rip too. Yeah, long few days of surgery this week. Family, you're a doctor, right? You're not going into surgery. What indicators do you like to use for charts? I like to use on the Webull charts. I'll have I have the MACD up. I don't really use it over here, but I'll have the VWAP, the 50 MA, the 100, and the 200. And then on my trading view, I'll have super trend and 200 EMA and MACD. And then I kind of use all of them to kind of confirm the trend. Because that's really before I started using those, all I really needed was a confirmation of a direction. And when things start to get a little volatile, stay in or get out. That's because I would just buy stuff and I'd either hold it in YOLO and sometimes it would work, sometimes it wouldn't, or I would just sell too early, even though the trade makes sense, but I didn't have anything to confirm it. But now it's getting there. Surgical nurse. There you go. What's up, Vix? I'm new here, but it looks like the whole ape community came over from TMI stream. Yeah. TMI and I usually flip back and forth, people. STV, how do we change your birthday to tomorrow? We would need a time machine. We would need a DeLorean. Chris Z8, thanks for being here, man. PayPal starting to get going here. Geo, attaboy. When special emojis, I gotta make them. I know you guys have the bowl. I want to make the length of the membership ones. 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, those some different emojis. I got to figure out what they want to be though. How about ask you guys, what do you guys want the emojis to be? All I have to do is upload them with a transparent background and we can have them. STV has aged 5 years and 1 already. He's retiring soon. Hey, that's mean. AMD's dip got bought up. Let's go. Did it really? Because that would be really nice. That would be sweet. All right, nice. PayPal ripping. Awesome. Let's see. Well, I can't find a bowl, so a bowl. No, you are a bowl. You might be in dark mode, but you're the emoji next to your name is a bowl. The only SPY play today was that bottom if you got that call option down there. Yeah, Ryan, that's what I was saying. Like with especially today in the morning, it was like you're gonna need to like time it perfectly. That's why I didn't mess around with SPY. We honestly got a little lucky that Apple went on its absolute tear without the SPY doing something. That's a little bit of a lucky trade there. Like I'll be the first one to admit when I luck out on a trade. Like my AMDs are not doing so good right now. The PayPals are doing decent, but it was really just that breakout on Apple and then the news that they were getting in after hours yesterday. Do you think AMC has another pop in it before day's end? Calls at 34. I mean, you got some time on them, but again, with GME's earnings, it's going to be a little bit wonky because of the reaction that we're going to see. We're going to need to see some decent numbers. I mean, again, it's Q3 for guidance in Q4. They're probably going to talk about supply chain issues, so get ready for that. And then we also need to hear if they mention anything crypto related, it'll probably go nuts, but we'll see what happens. PayPal RSI looking a little high. I might buy puts and pull out tomorrow morning. I mean, do what you got to do, man. I have calls on them. Let's see what happens. Because think about it here. When we have the SPY basically flat today off a really, I mean, it's ripping now. Off a really, really good day yesterday. That's showing a lot of support at these levels. So we could end up seeing another bullish day tomorrow. SCV, did we officially break through the 3150 resistance? Yeah, 3260 right now, and we're hanging out up here. We are coming down a little bit, but VWAP's at 3228, I believe. 3228 right now, 29, right around there. PayPal absolutely going nuclear right now. That's always fun to see. Yeah, these contracts are up 46%. Nice. This is probably one of my best trading days in a while. If I sold these right now, I'd be very close to realizing $1,000, which would be awesome. Am I gonna do that? Probably not. I'll probably hold them. Hey Vix, I gotta run to the store and get stuff for a party I'm having Saturday. We'll try to be back before your stream ends. Trey's mustache. Thank you, man. You're always welcome back. Would be wild if they announce NFT dividends. Yeah. Yeah, all of you guys are always welcome back. Thank you guys for showing so much support on the channel recently. You guys are awesome. SPY trying to get a move to the upside. PayPal really getting going here. Very good thing to see. If you have calls on PayPal like me, AMC 3253 right now, up 4.8%. GME right now is at about 175.60, down 1.24%, leading into earnings. Geez, PayPal, there you go, buddy. What do you plan to use your degrees for? A paperweight, maybe a paper airplane, something like that. That's probably what I'll end up. Maybe I'll make it into like a origami thing and then like throw it somewhere or like make a little boat out of the degree paper and then like let it float around somewhere. Not financial advice, right? I mean, I didn't tell anybody to do anything. I've already had PayPal calls for a while. I don't usually tell anybody the strike. I mean, I'll say I'm getting into this, but like I'm not gonna say like when or like what. Or I'll say when, but like not exactly what I'm getting. And it's more the thing is that you really want to get. So the thing that I want everybody to take away is always the reasoning behind of why I ever get into a trade or out of a trade, because then you can replicate it for yourself. Because if you're just going to take buy and sell alerts from somebody, it's like there's no way for you to like figure out your own strategy and what works for your own risk tolerance. Like my risk tolerance is probably lower than some of yours. Just saying. Like I can't hold stuff for a while. It's happened many, many times. I'll just be like, uh-oh, and then sell. But other time, like AMC is different though. I'm holding the BS out of that. You should see one of the call positions that I have on it right now. I just let that thing go. He's gonna open a brokerage firm after graduation called STV Financials. Am I streaming the earnings call? No, but TMI is. My business diploma was a mouse pad for a while. There you go. Hey, that's what I use it for. Yeah, exactly. I'll probably make a paper airplane. You would kill for SNDL volume on GME? Yeah, that would be nuts. Jeez, PayPal. There you go, buddy. How much are these up now? Nice. 50, about 50%. That's not bad. I mean, I only have 2 of them, so AMD needs to get off its butt and start going. Come on, Amy. Get back on here. Jeez. Oh, I'm going to bed early tonight. 100% going to bed early tonight. As SNDL really get okay, hold on. If SNDL is going to, this is gonna tell us something. Oh, SNDL is coming down. What about BBBY? This could get interesting. Is Bed Bath & Beyond going? I mean, they're having a green day. Hold on. What's cost up now? Cost up 6. Amy up 5. This is interesting. Okay, let's see how this goes by the end of the day. Every day is STV's birthday. I wish it was, because then we would just rip. I don't mean to be a prick, but miss most of the chat for a while. No, you're good, J Dub. Everyone asking about SNDL. What's the Ortex look like on it? Yeah, I got you guys. Oh man, ooh, struggling over here, people. I'm gonna need a good night's sleep and then back at it tomorrow. Hopefully not feel. Oh, I have that stupid bio class. Utilization on SNDL 98.33, estimated short interest 15.46. Not all that bad right there. Ah, geez. Happy birthday, STV. Fake it till you make it. I guess that's what we're doing. All right, PayPal. I guess we're just going to attendee land here with you, huh? I guess that's what we're doing over here. If these go up 100%, I'm selling. And that will be one of my I mean, if they keep going like this, I'm gonna try to get a $1,000 realized day. That would be sick. I haven't done that in a while. SCV needs a water, chug liquid IV, and dog to feel better. Yeah, I'm trying over here. PayPal getting rippy. Here we go. AMC 3267. I mean, I'm 20-ish cents out of the money on these PayPals. All right. Loop ring is ripping. Ooh, AMC Ortex. Yeah, we can get that going. All right, AMC. I mean, it was just below 19 earlier. Yeah. Oh, came down a little bit more. 18.91 borrowed change, a net return of 726,000 shares today. This might glitch out a little bit. No, we're good. All right. PayPal still doing good. SPY coming up. Let's see if PayPal gets a pop off of that. Pound in the Poland Spring. Hey, it's your birthday, SCB. Happy 16th birthday, family. I appreciate it, buddy. Apparently, I'm 16. Huge float. We're not moving it. I mean, for what? AMC rips after hours. It could. So tomorrow's the day. But no, guys, don't get your hopes up too much. This is what happened last time. Don't get your hopes up. Just go with everything. I mean, do I have my hopes up a little bit for January? I mean, a little bit, but at the same time, like, am I going to be heartbroken if it doesn't happen? Then no. All right, PayPal, do your thing, buddy. Do your thing. 72% on 75% on these PayPal contracts right now. This is a wild day. Happy birthday, STV. Thank you, Pam. Where's STV's fake ID? I don't know. Damn, we gotta call you super chat Vix now. I guess you do. I guess that's what we're doing. If you want to call me that, you can. Okay, PayPal contracts in the money. Still made more off trading today. Happy birthday, STV. Have they caught this guy's parents yet? What? Tomorrow, TMI super chat squeeze. I guess so. Is it really your birthday? No, my birthday's on May 27th, the second highest percent gain day on AMC's history. That PayPal is making me sick. I've got calls at 2:20. Why? We're having fun. It's up big. Do you have calls at 2:20 for this week? That would be insane. Sold 2 PayPal, left 1, 133%. Bliss, you're crushing it today too. I mean, you're probably, if you still have those AMDs, you're kind of, wait, hold on. Somebody wanted to look at something. Can you look at Disney's 5-minute chart? Yeah. CV super chat Vix. All right, guys. All right. Hold on. What are we looking at here? Disney. That's what we wanted to do. Disney's 5-minute. Oh, Disney's ripping too. What is going on with Disney? Everything is getting some action here going into close. All right. Yeah, I don't know. Do I want to ditch the PayPals? I could. I mean, by close, I'll probably ditch the PayPals. SCV reminds me of Zac Efron from Neighbors. Why? I feel like I don't look like him. Like I don't. I feel like that's a wrong comparison. I feel like that's incorrect. Let's see. Also, guys, if you guys don't mind, just dropping some likes on the stream. We are gonna be on for a while longer, so let's have some fun in here. We're watching these PayPals. Let's get Amy back up of 33. That would be sweet. SPY is starting to come up here. I mean, Ryan, if you like looking at those now, Ryan, if you're still in here, you still could have gotten them like around here, 467 and been all right. But you'd have to really have hit it right, like really hit it good. Every ape chat I've gotten tricked into wishing someone a happy birthday. Yeah. You have 150 calls that go to December 31st on Disney. Well, you're crushing it then right now because Disney, I think, is way higher than that. $3 in the money, that's solid. The intrinsic value in that contract right now is 364. That's very, very solid. PayPal contracts at the money. Let's see. AMC 3260. It's just been hanging around between VWAP and the 100 M or the 50 MA. The colors keep changing on this one. The 50 used to be green, I think. Prog high of the day. There we go. Rebel, thanks for the super happy anniversary of birth. That it's not my birthday, but thank you. Appreciate it. Prog, let's see. I'm not covering GME's earnings today. No, TMI will be streaming it. And Matt probably too. So let's see. Hold on. What do we need here? We need Prog. Prog up 4. There we go. PayPal selling a little bit here. I mean, I might take this and just run. Let's see if we get a little pop here, but if we don't, I'll probably just take this and run. If it falls below 197, I'll probably just get out. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, I might take this right here. Yeah, give me that. Thank you. All right. That was like another 1 something on PayPal. Thank you. Thank you very much. Wow. Cash balance looking really good after today. Real strong. Do your parents know where you are? Yes. Noted. STV's birthday, December 8th. STV's birthday is actually May 27th. Let's go Power Hour. Yeah, let's get hyped for Power Hour, people. Let's do it. We got AMC 3270 looking for that move back up. PayPal coming back down. I'm not mad about that. That's a decent 50% gain. Maybe it was a little more. I don't know. Unless my Weeble is going to be glitching out again and be like, hey, you didn't make any money, even though you definitely did. Yeah, this whole thing is jacked up. Yeah, it still says I made $89 on Apple, which is wrong. It's incorrect. All right, here we go. Sold crypto to buy more AMC. There you go, man. Birthday coming up on 12/14. All I want is AMC and Prog to rip. Rhode Island. Let's hope that you have a much better birthday than me in terms of AMC gains. I wonder if anybody's birthday is June 2nd because that is the best AMC day. M. Krieg's BFRI halted. Didn't that halt earlier today too? Is it halted on the way up or down? BFRI. Oh, up. Wow. You have that one, M. Kriegs? That's a wild one. Max pain of the week. I believe it's 31. I can take another look at it though. Yeah, 30. Let me refresh it. It was 31 earlier today. Yeah, still at 31. Weeble shorted you? I guess so. I mean, the cash balance is reflecting the gain, but the P&L is like, no, we're not going to play around with that. Yes, I do. M. Kriegs has all of these freaking biotechs. All of them. You know what I think I might do? I might get another one of these Mac desktops so I can have 3 screens. I feel like that would be cool. I feel like more screens, more profits, right? I feel like that's how it works. SCV, my birthday is actually June 2nd. Tried to tell you earlier. It was a great day. Mad Hatter. There you go, man. There you go. My baby is due May 28th. JJ, congrats, man. That's awesome. All right, everybody. We got SPY trying to move up here. BFRI is going to be halted. I mean, 15.5. That's a big one. Oh, shoot. Oh, I have to do another thing tonight. I don't want to. I just want to go to bed. All right. SPY, PayPal doing its thing. Let's put AMD up here, and we'll put GME down here. Get a 240 hertz monitor. The smoothness of the gray crayons is worth it. Interesting. My birthday is May 27 too, but apparently they weren't leading out as many brains. Wait, what is it? Ladling out as many brains. BKKT going too. Jeez, everything is ripping. All these short squeeze candidates are just ripping right now, huh? BKKT absolutely going nuclear here. AMC just kind of hanging out at 32.62. It's waiting. It's biding its time before it really gets going. Let's see. Geez, JTH Woods, thank you so much for the super. Another shout out to Miss Woods. My daughter's 12th grade economics class has moved to your stream after TMI. She is teaching them how to do DD and stocks. However, her boys are telling her she needs to get your number. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'll teach some economics right now. You guys want to do an econ lesson? I feel like that would be fun. We could do that. We could do a very, very nice long run aggregate supply curve and all sorts of that stuff too. BKKT is going nuclear right now. This is wild. 12th grade economics. I remember that class. AP. I took AP econ. That was actually a good. I like that class. The thing is, though, here's the funny thing. I wasn't as good at micro as I was macro, and I had to take the AP exams like late, like it was like right at the end of the year, and it was like the morning after prom or something, and we were all out till like 2 a.m. And I was like, why are you making me take an AP exam? And they wanted me to go to like some golf match. They were like, you're the captain of the golf team. You should go to the golf match and not take your AP exam. And I was like, no, I'll just take the AP exam so I don't have to take a college class. So I took macro that day, and I was so tired and not having fun that I got a 3 on it. So I didn't get the credit for macro in high school. Fun story. All right, SPY moving up here. Welcome, kids. I wish I got into trading at your age. I mean, me too. I technically wasn't allowed to. Here comes Mandy. Where's Mandy? Mandy in here? All right. PTN. How's PTN doing? It's up 0.24. It's getting going, though. It's getting going today. All right. Amy coming down a little bit, just below 32.50. Be good, chat. Yeah. What's your handicap? I was a 4.5 when I was in high school. Now, not so good. Got the whole econ class watching moon stocks. That's dope. Yeah. SV should marry her and be Jack Woods. All right. PTN is ripping now. AMC coming down a little bit. SPY is doing its thing. Should I just YOLO something at the end of the day just for fun to give the econ class some entertainment? We could do that. We could just YOLO PTN right now and just throw the cash balance at it and have some fun. Not going to do that, though. That would be irresponsible. All right. Where's what else do we want up here? How's Prog doing? No, okay. We don't necessarily have to be that behaved. I remember when I was a senior in high school, and I was probably not that behaved. No, don't teach the class to YOLO. Yeah. I think I was in 12th grade when I bought my AMD at 12, and now it's at, I don't know. What's AMD at today? Oh, 144. AMD going to pay for my retirement. If they ever split, done deal. Never working again. All right. SUV, wait, we could be looking at a double bottom George W here on Amy. Not really. I mean, like right here, maybe. I mean, it's coming down to VWAP though. It just bounced right back up. So 32.40. Again, going into GameStop's earnings, it's really gonna look at this. GameStop selling right now for literally no reason. Like, what's this? Cool. 1.81% in red. Maybe I'll buy another GME right now. Puts on PayPal printing. Good thing I got out of my calls then. So, dude, Jim Simons is on our side. It's all I need to hold. Yeah. Basically, Citadel's a market maker who is stealing money the best way he can, but he was caught. He had his hand caught in the cookie jar at the end. Yeah, that's exactly what we're doing. Why do we hold? Teach them. Okay, here's why we hold. So basically what's going on now is that the same institutions that, or most of the same institutions that were responsible for 2008, basically causing a lot of people to lose their jobs, their retirement, are messing around again. And we can see that they're messing around. It's very, very obvious that they're messing around with stuff. So what it looks like they've done is they've over shorted. Basically what shorting is you'll take out a loan of shares. So somebody will loan you shares and you'll sell them. And then in order to close that position, you then enter into a buying transaction. So you're hoping the stock is going to go down. when you short. So what they did was they over shorted these stocks. So there's a couple of ways to do that. They can do it synthetically through what's called the derivatives market. And derivatives are literally, they're essentially just security that is priced based on an underlying, which is most of the time going to be another security. One of the most common examples of that, options. So the other way they can do it is naked shorting, meaning that the people who are loaning them the shares, also known as prime brokers, didn't actually have the shares. So they don't exist. So when you think about in econ, when you talk about supply and demand, if the supply shifts right, supply should shift right because demand is downward sloping. What happens to price? Price goes down because there's too much supply. And if demand doesn't shift with it, well, then you're going to have too much supply that the demand can't handle. So the price then goes down. So the goal of what they were doing was try to get these companies to a share price of zero. When it goes to zero, the company files bankruptcy, they're no longer traded, and you technically don't have to enter into that buying transaction to close out. So there's no taxes. So basically, we caught them in their bullshit, and all we did, oh, I wasn't supposed to curse. Whoops, sorry. You guys are seniors in high school. You guys can handle it. So basically what happened is we caught them. We saw what they were doing. They had overshorted these stocks, and all we did was bought them and held them. Because when you think about supply and demand, again, well, if we hold the supply and then a margin call happens or a forced liquidation, meaning that the people who loan them those shares are going to come in and basically say, hey, you need to give us our stuff back, even if it doesn't exist. They need to close out that transaction. Well, if we hold the supply and we don't decide to give it up, the supply basket just shrinks. So then they're just buying the same little tiny section of shares over and over and over and over and over again, and to try to close their position, but it jacks up the price. And that's essentially what a short squeeze is. Welcome to my TED Talk. Why did we go up today? Well, we just started to, I mean, you never really know why we go up. More buyers, well, the buyers are willing to buy at higher prices than the sellers are willing to sell at. We went up today because it's STV's birthday. I guess so. I guess we could call it that. AMC bull flag on what? I mean, what is it? The 30-minute we were looking at it on before? Oh, yeah. Draw this little bugger right here. Loop, loop, loop. All right. AMC 3254 coming back up here. They killed Toys R Us. They did do that. Shorting American companies after the blank. Who was wrong anyway? Yeah. So that's essentially do not teach the sell button. Yeah. And now Kenny is doing his dirty. Yeah. There's a lot more that goes into it, but that's essentially the gist of it. SPY coming up here. We went up today because AMC is worth more than 32. It is. Technically, I would argue that it's fundamentally undervalued right now with everything that they're doing. Somebody commented on one of my tweets that was like, the enterprise value of a stock should be based off of blah, 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 blah. I'm like, all right, name a company that's fairly valued right now due to its fundamentals, and like none of them are. That's why Warren Buffett had $150 billion worth of cash, because he couldn't put his money anywhere because his whole investment strategy is buying undervalued companies based on their financials. So people are going to make the argument about fundamentals all day long, but Trade Spotting said this the other day in one of his streams that I thought was brilliant. It was like, okay, if you're going to be a fundamental investor, when the fundamentals are saying that the stock is at its worst point, the technicals could be saying the exact opposite. So the technical traders could be coming in and making boatloads of money while you're sitting on your pile of cash saying it's overvalued or it's not a good investment. Not a hedge fund. Thank you for the super. Is it just me, or does today's chart look very similar to the daily from our $70 run up? What do you mean? Like the days leading up to it, or like when we ripped and then slowly came back down? I mean, I don't even know if I could do that right now. I'd have to go on like trading view and just like go all the way back to the daily 1 minute. SCV, your name is Jack, and you were /R captain of the golf team, Captain Jack Sparrow. I guess so. Only buy what you're comfortable to lose, 100%. This brings out the best diamond hands. It's easier to stay on the roller coaster without getting sick. Exactly. Who's the culprit? I assume brokers need to go through the market maker. Okay, so the big culprits of this situation, it's not hedge funds. It's prime brokers. So Goldman, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, all of them. Everybody likes to make a whole fuss about hedge funds. Yeah, hedge funds are the ones that are going to be like, yes, give me the shares to short, and they're going to make the final decision. But I like to go off the example with the kid and the candy. If somebody gives a child like 10 pounds of candy and they eat it and they get sick and have to go to the doctor, well, whose fault is it? Like, who's at fault? Is it the kid? Not really. If you give a kid a candy, like a bunch of candy, you know that they're going to eat it, but who gave it to them? Who facilitated that? Well, whoever the larger person was that gave it to him. In the example that we have going on here, that's prime brokers. So prime brokers and market makers, in my mind, are the two big bad guys. Because remember, market makers have the legal ability to naked short if they see fit. The kid, he ate it. I disagree, Gio. Whole econ class is watching, but the teacher is the #1 student. CFEI coming up on Fox Business. Hold on. Are we going to YOLO here? I mean, how much cash do I have left today? I feel like I still have a lot of cash left. Yeah. If I want to do something, I could. CFEI might be getting a CNBC pump here. Amy at 32.43. Can you clip that squeeze explanation? Something short it needs to understand that would go viral. I could. I don't know how I would do that, but I can figure it out. Yeah, also, if you guys don't mind, just dropping some likes on the stream just helps get some more people in here. And if you guys enjoy the stream, it does help YouTube recommend this to you again. So thank you guys so much for all your support today. You guys are wild. SVB give that teacher access to... No, I'm not going to do that. Lots of fractal patterns. Yeah, I'm not the fractals guy. I can't see it. Like, I can't pick them out and see it. Is it a fake out now? No, it's still in there. Wait, hold on. That's the wrong one. It's still in it, I think. It's still in it, coming right down to VWAP. If it hits VWAP, it could just go nuclear going into the end of the day. But we got about 43 minutes left. Let's have some fun, everybody. All right, here we go. All right. Oh, guys, also, I got some new sauces. Got some Chipotle Ranch. Buy AMC, drop out of school. I don't know if that's the best advice for high school students. Just got an email about an exit strategy for my new trade after getting 15 new shares of GME today. Round out market open. There you go. That's hilarious. All right. Somebody else has to like the video. We can't have it at that number. We cannot have that. That is not allowed. Nope. We're not having this. Nope. That's not okay. Can't have concurrent viewers be that and likes be that as well. That is bad luck there. We cannot have that. That is very, very bad luck. What's the power hour YOLO? I don't know. All right, cool. Now we're off the bad luck number. Thank you. That was bad. I'm not superstitious about a lot of things, but we cannot have that be the number. I hit the like button and subscribe. Yahoo to the moon. Kembo. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Oh, my God. This is going to be so miserable, this group project I have to do later. Just so miserable. Yep, Fidelity emailing about exit strategy. That's funny. All right, AMC right around, it's still a little bit above VWAP now. And if the high school class is still listening here, VWAP is the volume weighted average price. What did Apple end up doing? Am I going to be upset or am I going to be happy with my performance? Very, very happy with my performance on Apple. Oh, wow. What about PayPal too? How'd PayPal end up? Looks like we absolutely crushed it today. Amy? Just sub my new favorite channel, Relate. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Is ATER going? PayPal's still slowly moving up. ATER, Ethereum. Ethereum is also the only company recently that has confirmed naked shorting in their stock. Volume weighted average price. What are your thoughts on DraftKings? I don't really like DraftKings. I like Penn a little bit more, even because here's the thing. We've seen a lot of good news come out for DraftKings, and it hasn't done anything for them. I bought DraftKings at 46 a while ago and sold it because I was just kind of done. I was like, I don't think like it should be going. Like all of this good news coming out. So I sold it. Now I have AMC. Um, Same thing with a bunch of AMD shares that I had for a while. So right now, if I kept my original AMD position, I would have had like $5,000, I think, off of like 1,000, I think, something like that, maybe more. But I don't. So, uh, Amy Joe, thank you so much for becoming a member. I do like Peloton. SCB about to go to YouTube Big League. That would be cool. What's the W for in VWAP? Weighted, volume weighted average price. Amy at 32.43, still holding up pretty good. SPY is like very, very calm day in the market. Very, very calm day. Was your Apple calls expiration this week? Yeah, I had the weekly 172.5s. AMC has to touch 32.25. Yeah, you've been saying that. I think it touched it. Or no, it touched 32.30. It came down close. I mean, what's VWAP right now? 32.31. We're at 32.40. SPY's getting a little action here. Where's GME at? 175.11, doing good. ATR doing all right too. Love the vibes, Vix. Thanks, Real Ape. PayPal at its new average. Yeah. Let's see here. Thanks, Boo. Anytime. Toe drag swag. Thanks for the super. Thoughts on Mara? I mean, I like Mara. Mara could be a decent. I mean, if Bitcoin starts to rally back up off of these lows, it could be very, very solid. I mean, I had a Mara position at one point today, but I just got out of it quick. I just saw that I had so much money just out in the market. I was like, I need to take some back. I can't have all of this just out here. All right, hold on. This thing's glitching a little bit here. TLT. We'll pull up TLT for a second. How's TLT? I mean, TLT should be 149 right now. Wow. TLT is getting hammered today. So with the SPY being as flat as it is and TLT being this red, if we see a rebound on TLT tomorrow, SPY could be in for a red day. So be careful. This is literally just based on bond moves. So as yields go up, and bond prices go down, that essentially means that people are going out of bonds into equities. And that's kind of what TLT is reflecting. When TLT goes down, more money is coming into the market. When TLT goes up, money is flowing out of the equity market and into the bond market, showing some signs of fear. That's why I use it when I'm trading SPY. Ryan, your SPY calls might be doing all right now, buddy. AMC at VWAP, we can bounce. Yeah, it's right there. It's like right around VWAP. But remember, when it's trapped in these ranges, it's going to use the 50, the 100, and the 200 as support and resistance. So if it can break above or below in any direction, that's kind of when it gets free range in terms of moves. Favorite pizza toppings? Oh, God. That would be an essay. You lost 200 grand on Peloton calls when the... Wow. Got a house in LA in the Midwest. I'm in LA now. There you go. That's pretty sick. AMC V-shape bounce off VWAP. That would be sweet right here. We're at 32.38 right now. SPY is getting some action here. TLT coming up, but overall TLT's been getting murdered today. I mean, if you had TLT 150 puts for this week, which I mean, at one point TLT was at like 152, 153 when we were looking at it. Like TLT's taking a hit today. We are 1% away from all-time high on SPY. No, we are not. That is drunk. I mean, all-time high breakout on SPY. We might as well remember a couple of weeks, like 2 weeks ago, we were testing the lows and people were worried that we were going to touch that 200 MA. Oh, JTH Woods, thank you for the super. Kids have left onto their next class. Oh, wow. They're still in class. I think my classes ended at like 250 in high school, but we started at like 8:30, I think. Maybe 3:20 was when we ended. I'm not sure. She let them make one trade. AMC. That's a good one. That's a good one. You called 150 on what? Oh, on TLT. Yeah. I mean, if you played the puts, good for you, Seth. SPY coming up. AMC looking for a little bit of a bounce here off the VWAP 32.46. TMIs, let's see here. I don't have either of those here. Ooh, Rhode Island with the basketballs. Yeah, let's get some basketballs in the chat, people. Thanks to all you guys that are coming in here today. Let's have a good time. We've got about 35 minutes left. Hold on, I'm going to text TMI real quick. All right, the basketballs are looking like they're working, people. 32.50. Here we go. SPY is getting some action here. Let's check Apple. Yeah, no. We crushed it. Absolutely crushed it. PayPal doing all right, too. I mean, hit that one real good as well. 50-something%. I'll take it. SCB is hydrated for sure. I mean, I was sweating last night, guys. Not to be weird, but I definitely had a fever. All right, looks like the basketballs are getting us going here. Oh, just kidding. Little red candle. 32.44. Still up 4.48% on the day. Very, very, very solid day on Amy. 60% of the time, basketballs work all the time. There we go. Is Texas a different time zone? Yeah, I think it's an hour behind here. That water is so big. Yes, it's honestly the reason why I use it is because it's the perfect ratio if you put 2 liquid IVs in a gallon. That's literally it. I don't walk around and take it in public. I'm not a crazy person. What am I walking around with a gallon to clap? No, not a weirdo. Trust me. I mean, I am a weirdo, but I'm not that kind of weirdo. So this stays in my room or in my car. Especially when I write stuff on it, like hedgy tears, I can't bring that around. People are gonna be like, "What is wrong with you?" Because everybody in the business would be like, "I want to go work for a hedge fund. What are you talking about?" It's like, all right, bro, good luck. Loop ring is running. I bet it is. It's 2:26 p.m. here in Dallas, Texas. There you go. Hey, I bring a 2-liter bottle with me everywhere. That's fair. Are you streaming GME earnings? No, but TMI will be. I'm asking him right now when he's going to start the stream because I'll stay on until then, and then we'll pass you people around. That came out wrong. That came out wrong. I'm sorry. All right, 32.39. GME right down the road from me. There you go. There's a GME right down the road from me too. That's where I went to get a Nintendo Switch as a gift for someone's birthday, like in September. What do you mean, you people? Every single time I say that, you guys respond with that. Oh, no, you did it. It's okay. I laughed. That's all I'm here for. I'm here for entertainment. You guys entertain me. I entertain you sometimes. And then hopefully we make some money. Today, awesome day. So I wish I could buy calls on Matt ranting. SCV for the power hour comment. Hey, I guess this is the new power hour, or it's not even power half hour. All right, we just flushed below VWAP. Let's see if we can bounce back up real quick. SPY coming down a little bit here. We got Amy at 32.28. I mean, who was saying, was it 32.25? I felt dirty when you said that. I'm sorry, Anna. I didn't mean it. Sometimes I don't think before I say things. Entertain. I have the dollar bills. Ryan says buy ripped of 471, please. Honestly, Ryan, I've seen crazier things happen. Like, it's possible. We would just need news. Like, there would have to be like the Fed is going to turn on the money printer again and give everybody stimulus checks. And then the SPY would just go, whoop. Other than that, though, I don't know. I think you might be screwed on that SPY trade. Still above the 5-minute VWAP. Yeah, where's that one at? And just came below it. What about 30 minutes? It's probably around the same. Yeah, they're right around the same. So let's see, 32.27. You guys were saying 32.25, I think was what we needed to bounce off of, and it looks like we're doing it. So let's see. What are your thoughts of GME ripping into earnings? I mean, it's not right now, but it could. Could ease. Ooh, AMC coming back above VWAP. Here we go. Could be setting up for a nice move. SPY getting going here. GameStop by me has been called me stop for 2 years because the GA lights are burned out. Oh, God. What company provides ink to print money? I want to buy calls on them, not a hedge fund. I would do that as well. It's probably the United States federal government, which I probably wouldn't buy calls on. I'd probably sell a bunch of credit spreads. You have hundos ready? There you go. Thoughts on ticker FART? I don't think that one's real. Somebody, the Krispy Kreme one is like, what's the Krispy Kreme ticker that was messing with TMI? Oh, it's DNUT, DNUT. And somebody was asking TMI about it, and he was like, he just ignored it, and he thought somebody was like making a joke, but like it's Krispy Kreme's ticker. Who called that 32.25 bounce? Yeah, who called that? Because you are spot on. But let's see, like again, like we're gonna need to see it really get going. We're seeing SPY being a little dummy here. 32.35 right now. PayPal. I mean, I'm out of this, so I don't really need to look here. What do we got? Prog. How are we doing? Yeah, DNUT. That's what it is. I've been fighting internally because I want to sell crypto for AMC, but I'm very bullish on crypto. I'm short-term bearish on crypto. I just killed that like button. Says Barney. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Are you a Boston sports guy? Yeah, Patriots and Red Sox. Fun fact. I have a really good story about Fenway Park, and I think you guys have heard my very, 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 very unfortunate story about Fenway Park. But we're gonna go over the good one today because you guys have already heard the bad one. We got. So I caught two balls in one game one time. That was wild. One of them hit me in the head, but it was like it wasn't like a line drive that like drilled me in the face. Like it like just came down, bounced around on some people, then the ball hit me in the head. Eric called it. There you go, buddy. 32.36. Prog doing all right, up almost 3% today. GME down 1.5. SPY looking for a decent move. Yep, TMI's box. Yep, that's what happened. That is a good story. Yep. Are you based in Boston? I'm from Connecticut. Vegas. No. Only one of them hit me in the head. All right, Amy bouncing here. Whoever called that 32.25 bounce, I think you're onto something. Ball hit in the head. Now I understand you. Yeah, but also I've played tackle football since like the 2nd grade, and some other I'm not sure if I would call them sports, but like activities that require you getting hit in the head a lot. So don't have that much time left. So let's make the most of it while we're here. Oh, you live in Suffield, Enfield? There you go. That's pretty close to where I'm at right now. I mean, I'm in stores because I go to UConn right now. Can you help me understand why my 469 SPY call is still in the red? I mean, you probably bought it. The problem is that we're so close to expiration. So you're getting more towards just the intrinsic value of the contract. So these contracts probably are worth like 60 cents right now, maybe even less. So let's take a look at what it's at. 469. Wow, even less. So you don't even have all of the intrinsic value on it. So if it were to close right now at 469.51, these contracts should technically be valued at $51. But with the slow moves that we've seen in SPY today, I mean, you could have gotten it around here, and let's see, 467.44. I mean, that's a decent move if you got the 469s, but you would have had to have sold them like around here when they just went in the money with a lot of time left. Born and raised in Connecticut. There we go. Oh, Rico called 32.25. There we go. 32.25 is the bottom of the bull flag. That would make a lot of sense. SCB, I went to UConn, Avery Point first, then Stores, lived in Carriage. Oh boy, Carriage. Oh, I have another similar Fenway Park story of when I went to Carriage one time. We were going to a tailgate, and we had to wake up at like 6 a.m. and I went had like 2 Dunkin' sandwiches and a coffee, and if you know, like, Dunkin' sandwiches and coffee, you, like, definitely are gonna have to go to the bathroom after. So I'm sitting on the bus, and I'm like, "This is not good. I have to go home." Didn't end up going to the tailgate, Ubered back to my dorm, and I'm sprinting to try to get back into the dorm, tripped and fell and, like, scraped up my whole arm, went to the bathroom, and just went back to bed, and I was like, "This is an L of a day, and I'm gonna try to, put it in the past and then live to fight another day." But that was a struggle of a morning, waking up at 6 a.m. and, like, having a feeling uncomfortable and then running, tripping, and scuffing up your whole arm. Peloton calls printing. I mean, Apple calls and PayPal calls printed for me today. So I'll take it. GME down 1.75. Guys, I got a lot of fun stories, especially ones that involve me having to go to the bathroom. So what's up with the Bowden hoodie? Checking in from Maine. That's where my sister goes. I almost went to Bates, and then I was like, I don't really want to go here. Then I almost went to BU. I really wanted to go to BU. Let's see here. Spring weekend was insane. Yeah, they don't do it anymore. You the first house on the right of the bottom of the hill in carriage, line of police cars doing deer. Yeah, Rhode Island. It's wild. It's wild. I'm trying to think. The wildest thing I did at UConn. I mean, I went to every bar one night. That was kind of wild. I mean, it's different. So I went to like Grill, Ted's, Huskies, and Tav. But Grill's not around anymore. That was pretty fun. I want to go to the moon. Buffalo University? No. Your sister's name Jill? No. Going to the bathroom story is always a good time. I mean, not if you're me. They're not very fun. Let's see. AMC 3220. Let's see what we can do here, people. Also, if you guys don't mind, just dropping some likes on the stream just helps get some more people in here. We are having a very fun time today. Going over lots of stories, making lots of money. I mean, I don't know about you guys. I know a lot of you guys were in on some of these plays today. Docu, PayPal, Apple for me was the best one. I mean, I'm still sucking wind on. Okay, cool. You. Hold on. Here we go. All right. I'm going to look for a play right here. I want something going into the end of this week. I'll tell you guys what it is, but I won't tell you any dates or anything like that. All right. What do we like here? 153. What are the... Oof, that's a little dangerous. Ooh, I like these right here. Let's see. I'll take... What was it at pre... Hold on. Sniping here. I'm going to snipe something. What was it at pre-drop? Oh, jeez. Okay, hold on. This is what we're going to do here. We're going to do this. Wait, wow, that's actually the... Wait, what about this right here? We go for the... Okay. Okay. All right. I did something. All right. I got some docu calls. CEO bought a bunch of stock today. Got this giant gap down on earnings. I got some time on it. It's a big YOLO. If it hits, it hits. If it doesn't hit, it doesn't hit. But we'll see what happens with that one. Let's see. Well, I guess nothing in Rhode Island is far from anything else in Rhode Island. I have a funny Rhode Island. I have lots of funny Rhode Island stories too. All right, cool. We're in another play. Spent like 330. Fine, whatever. Dang, these AMDs are crushing me right here. Crushing me. All right, Docu. We're gonna let you do your thing. Set it and forget it. You deprive us a point of comparison when you don't tell us just another way to look at it. That's fair. I get it. Like, I know you, but the problem is I don't want people rushing in and buying this stuff. Because in my mind, I literally am looking at it as if it goes down, I'm gonna cut it early, and I'm not on stream all the time. So if I do something and you guys are basing it off of what I'm doing, which you shouldn't be doing anyway, then I mean, the reasoning behind it is what like what is the most important part. Giant tank on earnings, CEO bought stock, looking like it could run up. That's it. What time is GME earnings? 5. All right, here we go. What's this at on a daily? We'll leave this up here. I mean, these are going to have a little bit of time on them. So, oh, nice. Right as I buy. Red candle. All righty. Don't chase the VIX. Kind of has a ring. Exactly. I hope nobody just buys anything because someone else does, but you're right. They do. That's the problem. I don't want to do that. We should only follow knowing the risks, and everyone has different risk points. Yeah, you don't, yeah. Like, I get it, but I feel like you guys kind of know, like when I trade SPY, you know exactly pretty much what I'm getting every single time. I've told you guys when I make a SPY trade, it's 1 to 2 contracts out of the money. If it's a daily, further out, if it's 1 day to expiration. With Apple, I told you guys today what it was and the reasoning why I bought it, but I'm playing closer to the monies now. I'm not playing these giant YOLOs. Like if I played the 175s on Apple today, I could have made a lot more money, gotten more contracts, but I mean, I'm trying to play it more safe. I think Doc, you could be good. You guys were bringing it up earlier. Let's see what happens with it. In Docu says Bliss. There you go. Bliss is crushing it. There you go. I won't be going in on all your callouts, but it's nice to know. Okay. I got about a month and a half of time and then deep out of the money. Because the premiums will just inflate. They'll just come back up because Docu, for whatever reason, the premiums on it are just not what they should be right now. Well, I bought a 180 call for Docu January 14th. Don't follow me. It's like equivalent-ish to what I have. Like it's equivalent with what I got. It's close, not necessarily exact. But I don't do it. Like I'm playing with house money. It's a gamble. Docu could easily just tank and I lose everything. That's the thing. Like most people don't understand that like it could just go to 0. So they put like $5,000 on it and then they lose. And it's like, what happened? It's like, well, options expire worthless. Vix, I model my life after yours step for step. So watch what you say. Ham, I would not do that. That water every time. Dude, I get thirsty. Wish this freaking 5-minute MACD would cross. It's not crossing them. I mean, the 1 minute's just going like up, down, up, down, up, down. What's Amy at right now? 32, 22. Docu coming down. All right, we got about 15 minutes left. Let's do it. See you in class tomorrow. Ham, what's tomorrow? I mean, I got, what do you call it? Bio tomorrow. I don't want to do that. We need a spicy pepper on AMC. Yeah. Yep. 32.24. Still up 3.88% today. Oh, that's funny. All right, that's funny. Yo, SCV, have you seen Rico's video today? No, I've been hanging out with you guys all day. It's hard to watch videos and stuff when you like stream all day and you have like a time crunch and you have to do school. So like I'll stream in the morning, I'll trade and look at stuff for the afternoon stream, and then I'll do this one, and then I'll make a video, and then by that time my brain doesn't work. So all right, AMC coming down right now, 32.13 at up 3.5% right now. SPY is coming down a little bit. GME selling off a little bit here, 174.38. It's beer o'clock, says the OREV. There you go. That spicy pepper would probably lead to another funny bathroom story. Peter, probably, bro. Probably. Mr. Fishing, you're in Connecticut, aren't you? I know Rhode Island is. Rhode Island, I'm going to be at one of those gambling places in a couple of weeks. for fun time. Hopefully I don't lose all my money again, but you know, it happens. First edition shiny Vix. Vix, you're the man. Thank you, man. Spicy back. Yeah, guys. Also, thank you to you guys that are all in here for this live stream. You guys are awesome. You guys make it fun every single day. Summers, I think that's right around where I am. That's where all the prisons are. Because I've been to one of them, I think. Not like because I had to go, but we did a field trip for my developmental psychology class in high school. And we went to a prison. SV, I'll be in the poker room. Rhode Island, honestly, the poker room is like depressing. It's silent. It's like silent in there. I walked in there one time and I was like, this is not for me. I don't want to. No, I don't want. No, thank you. Fox, Matt, synthetic girlfriend. SV, how much time do you have on that docu? Like a month and a half. Are you in stores? Yeah, I'm in stores right now. They redid it. I don't like it. It's just too quiet in there. Amy trying to pop back up here, 3220. Same thing with Spy. Ryan, you've got like 14 minutes for a $1.50 move on Spy. And even then, you would need it to go up like a lot more dollars for it to not be like worthless on expiration. So, I mean, you technically have 15 minutes after, because these ETF options do trade 15 minutes after the market closes. Oh, Rhode Island. I was there like in July, I think is when I saw it. And I was like, I don't like this. Are you a part of a club at school? Probably. I'm probably signed up for one, but I don't go to anything. I'm a big blackjack fan. That's what I like. It's fun. Hit me. Hit those 16s. You know who taught me that? Definitely wasn't TMI. Super Bowl flag on Amy. Yeah, what is on that 30-minute? I mean, it's below. I mean, it needs to pop unless it's just going to be this descending wedge that we're going to be in. Craps confuses me. I was watching it last time I was there, and I was like, there's too much going on here. Like, just give me my cards and let me like count how many it adds up to. Bought 2 AMC, 1 GME today. Jessica, there you go. Dip before the rip. There we go. CFVI is going. PTN going. I mean, CFVI, Docu's trying to come back now. CFVI was doing, I mean, it might have gotten that CNBC pump. Yeah, that might be a CNBC pump right there. They have a chain? Nope. Yeah, no thanks on that one. 8 decks at Foxwoods for blackjack. You would know that, Mr. Fishing. You would know that. Craps is like options. Better know what you're doing. I mean, I would just be a mean person and bet the don't pass line. That is what I like. That's the most I know is like you just bet with the house. You just got to be really quiet about it, or everybody's gonna hate you, right? You got to be that guy. All right, how's Prog doing right now? Prog got 1.88. Amy coming down a little bit, 32.12. Let's hold above this 32 by close, and I will be happy. GME down 2. Spy trying to move back up. I'm going to play blackjack. I better know. Ooh. You doubling down on all 11s? Yeah. Sometimes 10s. If I'm feeling really spicy. All right. AMC to 34 pre-market would be really nice for my option. Yeah, it would, but be careful. We already saw a big move today. We saw that big pump. You probably had a nice premium inflation coming up here when we were coming up to 33. That would have been a good time to consider getting out or selling some of them, make it free. But we're going to need to see, because it's really going to hinge on GameStop's earnings tomorrow. Like if we see some wildness start to happen, like AMC could rip or AMC could start to sell off. I know that's pretty basic, but that's what I'm seeing. Stay or hold on 16. That's the same. I'm hitting it. I'm hitting the 16s. Just a heads up, I know Dollar Tree is doing the opposite of AMC. I'm interested if AMC rips, and I think Dollar Tree crashes hard. I don't know about that. Caught in PDT. Okay. So what you can do to avoid PDT is you can depend. Ooh, AMC making a run back here. 32, 28, 29. Here we go, people. Sue, that was funny. AMC getting some boom boom candles here, but Marcus, there is a thing that you can do. You can sell strikes above the contract that you have for more than you paid for the one that you bought. So it's a debit spread for a net credit. SPY getting a giant candle here. I don't know what's going on, but let me see if I got anything on the news feed. Early market on close, 250 million buy side. President Biden delivers remarks on the bipartisan infrastructure law. That might be what we're looking at here. Yeah, SPY getting a massive move. Hey Ryan, it might be looking good for you, buddy. We're just gonna need to see another $1.50, and you might be all right. Ham, I don't think your 475s are gonna be all right though. When's the GME's earnings call? I don't have the link, but it should be around 5, and I think TMI should be streaming it, and Matt probably too. Here we go, Amy. Get back up there. Oops. Oopsie daisies. GME not really getting any of this bullish momentum right here. Still down 2. Amy coming back up 32.38. Here we go. SPY is getting a little volatile into close. Here we go. Bob with the rockets. Here we go. Let's go, everybody. My 468 SPY is printing. Texter. I love that. I love to see you guys making money. You're $1.64 in the money right now. That intrinsic value is crushing it. Yeah, I didn't mess around with SPY at all today. I just had so many other plays going on. How are the docus? Fine. Yeah, I'm going to need, I could take the L on AMD right now. Hold on. What's AMD doing right now? AMD, what doing? Oh, here she goes. Here she goes. What do I have on AMD for this week? I've got some wild YOLOs on AMD. Like wild. Yeah, that's gotta go in the money tomorrow, or else I'm screwed. Trey has his own NFT. I'm pretty sure that's the Nifty Ape Nation. So it's not his. Like he didn't create I don't think he might have been a part of, because they were asking me if I wanted to be on one too, and I do. I just gotta have to make the time to do it. Let me see if it's Nifty. That's probably what it is. They have one for TMI. I think Jackson has one too. Oh man, I need to take a nap. All right, where is Trey? Let me look. Yeah, so Turbo posted this. So this is Nifty. So they're going to be doing a reveal of Trey's NFT. So it's Trey's ape. So what they're doing is they're making a bunch of apes, and then giving them, and then I don't know what they're doing with it, but they are creating a fighting game, which is going to be really, really cool, where you can fight the apes, and they're each going to have their own different perks and stuff, which is going to be very, very cool to see. Yeah, he's got a Nifty. That's what it is. Apple ripping. That's fine. I probably sold at a higher level than what Apple is right now. I'll flex that. That Apple move was absolutely drunk earlier. Yeah, it's Nifty. Nice. What's up, guys? What's up, Diamond Dino Nuggies? Jackson has one from Nifty. Yes, I know. I really want one. I just need to talk to the guys. If it's above 176, I'm gonna be pissed. No, that's not. Look where I sold here. I think I sold at this line in the 175s. All right, I might. What's AMD doing? Oh man, I don't know on this one. Yeah, I don't know. That's up. And I'll leave it for another day. See what happens. I'll leave it for another day. SPY hit 470. Yep. Oh, it's getting dangerous here. AMC 32.53 right now, coming back up. Here we go, people. What's up, my dog? What's up, K-Bands? How you doing? NFT-based characters. You own the character, fighting-based game first. Lots of expansion planned. Yeah, I think it's really, really cool. Like ratio looking good. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. AMC's moving right now off of these lows. Hold on. Let me look here. All right. Ooh, AMC 32.53. Here we go, people. Oh, AMD is getting some pop in action right here. SPY looking for that breakout above 470. If it gets above there with some momentum, it could get spicy. Right now, we got 5 minutes left until the market closes. Let's have some fun, people. You the man, SCD? Thank you. I appreciate it. Got a good feeling about GME earnings. Ho, what's up, Pam? How you doing? All right. AMD doing good. SPY coming back down a little bit. I mean, AMC 32.45. GME sold off a little bit just now, and a little bit of a wild candle here, down to 173.21, but back up to 174.14, down 2.06%. Let's see if Amy can get a close above 32.43. We got 5 minutes left. Here we go. Dare. I know M. Kriegs was looking at that one today. Actually, I want this up here. They're settling down. I think they were really going earlier. Yeah. They were up big in the pre-market, but settling down now. AMD. That's what we want up here. $35 call is still in the red for 12.17. I'll hold. They were probably green when we were getting up to 34 today. All right. SPY. A little bit of a bull flag here. Here we go. All right. AMC 32.38 looking decent. Think Dare will run. I think it can. 5.10 GME calls for this week. That's wild behavior. Good luck. Not something that I would do, I don't think. Palantir hit day high. Interesting. What was that? 300 GME YOLO calls for this week. Yeet ham. You're a wild person. You guys are wild. Be careful with those. As long as you're fine with losing it, do whatever you want. It's not something that I would do, though. Are you streaming GME earnings? I'm not going to be streaming GME's earnings, but we are going to stay on for after hours, watch some price action, go over some stuff, and then we will transfer over to TMI. Any thoughts on Palantir? I like their business long term. They need to get more clients because a lot of their revenue is concentrated with a small number of contracts. So they're going to need to expand their business in that way to get some more, maybe like medium-sized contracts with a lot of different companies because their software is wild. It's like Salesforce, but with AI. It's nuts. And it's probably a lot better than that too. Meet Kevin just got his live taken down. What? No way. No way. Hold on. Are we going to have to go to Twitter and go nuts? Kevin's like, is his channel good? His channel's all right. If his live just got taken down, then that's okay. I mean, it's not okay, but hold on. Yeah, his channel there. Come on, Santa Rally. Yeah, I mean, we do need to see some of that start to come in. Yeah, we will not. I mean, shutting down people's live streams is not. I mean, it's Meet Kevin. He's talking about finance. Like, really? He's going to say the C word sometimes. Leave him alone. That should not be a hot word. Taken down or just ended? I don't know. Yep, they did. I was watching when it went down. Interesting. No, Meet Kevin is still on, says Vegas. Yeah, I didn't see his live pop up when I searched him. Yeah, they would be barking up the wrong tree. Messing with Kevin. All right, now we're back over here. Come on. Back. We're going to refresh the Webull real quick. Good grief. Yeah. CFEI above 15. Yeah. Yeah, we're going to refresh this right here. Is up? All right, he's back on. Good. Who's spreading? Kevin Fudd? Yeah, I don't know. I just saw it in the chat. I didn't see him live, so. Yeah, I am laggy. I know. I'm trying to fix it. Trying to fix it. It'll come back in a minute. Good now? I mean, not really. This whole thing is lagging out for no reason. I mean, it's literally just this. And I can move this around, but there we go. Okay, good. Sometimes towards the end of the day, my whole thing just gets messed up, but we're going to be back. Ding, ding, ding. Yeah, I'm pulling Weeble back up right here. Let's see. Ortex on AMC, 19.03% short interest came back up. There we go, people. Not bad, not bad, not bad. All right, let's get this zoomed like we usually do, and we will be back in business. All right, here we go. AMC closed the day 32.35. Very, very strong day for AMC, up 4.22%. GME closed down 1.73. SPY closed at, oh, that's AMD. We want SPY over here. SPY closed at 469.51. Very, very strong day. Apple 175.08. Ripping up in the after hours too. AMD closed at 145.24. Let's watch a little bit of the after hours here. Have some fun before GME's earnings. Let's see. Let's see. I think you should copy Kevin's hair when I get yours done. No, thank you. Not for me. How strong is your eyebrow control? I don't know. I can do some stuff, but that's kind of weird. Got to do work for a bit. God bless, folks. Take care. Thank you, Sue. I appreciate it. Let's see. AMD doing pretty good. GME after hours right now, very, very flat. We might see a little bit of fluctuation before we get the numbers. And then AMC flat. Let's see when we come over here. Dun, 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 dun. My money's on tomorrow being a Rippy my Mickey Mick Rip face day. That would be awesome. Vix, I'll DM you the GME link. Thank you, but I'm not going to be streaming it. I know TMI and Matt will probably be streaming it, so I mean, there's no reason to have everybody streaming it. Let's see here. Who's streaming earnings? Most likely Matt, and I know TMI is going to be doing it too. So TMI is going to come on at 4:45. Let's see. We waking up to 10K on AMC? I don't know, man. I don't know. Matt isn't streaming. Interesting. So TMI will be streaming it. Wrapping my Lamborghini Saturday to say hold AMC. Azan, there you go, buddy. If you actually have one, what kind is it? Oh, Naked Shorts. Yeah, what's up, Ducks? You guys coming in to hanging out? Coming in to hang out for a little while. Matt isn't. Interesting. Okay, so TMI will be streaming it. We're going to be hanging out in here for a little while as well. Welcome to all the Ducks. We had a very, very solid day today. How is everybody? Well, now you've got the link to share. All right, cool. TMI scheduled already for 4:45 showing up now. Yeah. Let's see. What's up, Ducks? How are we doing? Go to bed, STV, get up early and go to the barbershop because you want to look good for what's to come. You have a Huracan 2017 Spider. There you go. Those are sweet. What color is it? Is it like a wild color? Or did you get like a normal person color? I'll post after the wrap. That would be sweet. If it's like green, I'm going to have a problem with you. But if it's like black, white, dark blue, then we can be friends. Matt wants to know if you can blink one eye at a time. I mean, I can. I can, but that's kind of weird. Why is that? Why is mine just like this all day? Is that what it looks like? An STV Moas haircut, white with carbon fiber hood and wing. Ooh, see, that's classy. See, those are nice. Azan, I think that's how you pronounce your name. Definitely send me a picture of that. When next to Lambo, yeah. All right, people, how we doing? Yeah, for all those new people coming in here, if you guys don't mind, just dropping some likes on the stream. We're gonna hang out in here for a little bit, wait around until we get some. Why do we have TLT up and not GME? All right, GME up 0.81 in the after hours right now. AMC up 0.59, 32.54. There we go. Not bad, not bad. I thought it was to raise one eyebrow. Is this like a real thing, or is this like you guys saying it's my birthday? Like, I feel like that's what this is. Like, I can kind of, but like not well. Is this like a challenge? Is this like an AMC streamer challenge now that we have to do? We have to move our GME, what's going on here? Down 2% right now. We get the numbers. Hold on. Let me see. Down 5. I don't see anything coming through yet. Let's see if this is a little fake move and it comes right back up. Matt can't do it. Matt has an unhealthy obsession with your eyes. Interesting. I don't think so. I think that's a lie. Matt can't raise just one eyebrow. I can't do it. Yeah, selling on here on GME, coming back up though. Like it flashed down. I don't see anything coming through. I'll probably get the numbers on this news feed first, like really quick. You have a unibrow. No, I don't. They're in sync. I mean, I can kind of do it, but not well. Got to do the rock eyebrow. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now I know you guys are lying. All right. Yeah. GME is doing some wild stuff in the after hours right now. It's only down 0.31. It's up 0.11 now. The lowest we saw it go just now was 164 for basically no reason. It dropped 6% for a few seconds. Yeah. He was talking about TMI. Yeah, the eyebrow battle. I bet he was. All right. I don't have anything on their numbers yet, but we'll wait around. We'll probably get the numbers soon. And then we'll wait. And then the call will be at 5, I believe. Is that a gray hair? I don't know if it. All right. GameStop Q3 adjusted loss per share 139. Estimated loss 52 cents. Interesting. Interesting. Feeling really good about AMD tomorrow. That would be sweet. 209, 406. What is this? GME missed EPS. Yeah, they missed it pretty bad, I think. GME Q3 net sales 1.3 billion, estimated 1.19 billion. So they beat on revenue. They beat on revenue, missed on EPS. I think, hold on. Net sales 1.3, the estimated 1.19. So they beat net sales, not revenue. I don't think that's. So that's what we have right now for GME. Just playing. Yeah, I know. I know you're messing around. Hold on now. Amy down 0.59, basically flat. GME down 1.62 right now. Let me see. Let's see if we can get anything else on here. Let's see. How is EPS calculated? It should be just revenue, but let me make sure. I don't want to give you guys the wrong thing. I'm pretty sure it's just. Yeah, it's profit divided by outstanding shares, I believe. GameStop ended Q3 with cash and cash equivalents of 1.413 billion. Not bad. Not bad. Is AMC in a good spot right now? Yes. All right. So I'm getting all the updates on GME's earnings report right now. It is down right now in the after hours, 5.86%, 5.92%. AMC flat right now. Now it's down 1, selling a little bit right here. So, I mean, when you say that they're not connected, like they're linked. So is Bed Bath & Beyond and all these other ones to them. So let's see here. Yeah, earnings before interest and taxes. Yeah, divided by shares. Let's see. I'm literally just exhausted right now. I wanted to make sure I got it right. Let's see. GME down 6.86 right now, flickering around down 7. Currently at 162.50. 150 about once. Yeah, it's really getting a little volatile in the after hours right now with GME. AMC now down 1.3. GameStop inventory was 1.141 billion at the close of Q3 compared to 861 million at the close of prior year's Q3. GME coming back right now down only 4.6. Amy coming back as well. Get them discounted GME shares. Yeah, I might buy one right now. Buy a few. How much cash do I have? I have a lot of cash. Let's see. AMC looked like it was just walked down since the high today. Dang, Jimmy. Well, yeah, Trey's mustache. Good to see you back in here, man. Yeah, we are getting the numbers right now. I won't be streaming the call. TMI will be streaming the call, but yeah. So I'm getting the numbers as they come in and any key things that have been released in GME's earnings report. Right now, it's down about 3 to 4% right now. It's flickering around, pretty volatile, pretty freaking volatile in the after hours for GME. Got my 10 at 165. There you go. Bought first GME stock now, just in case. There you go. Any chance of GME announcing an NFT for shareholders? They might. I don't know, though. Please short AMC because you think they're the same thing. See what happens with AMC's Q4. Streaky, I'm on the same page with you on that one. If any shorts want to get in, I'm not going to tell them what to do with their money. Go for it. You want to short it? Go for it. Let's see. Oh, man. All right. GME now 164.21. Oh man, it's so volatile right now. It's down about 5.5%. It's flickering in that 5% range right now. Let's see here. AMD down a little bit, SPY down a little bit in the after hours, basically flat. AME down 0.62, 32.15, still above 32. Adam Aaron is down due to a partnership with GME. Interesting. They're so freaking ridiculous. How foreseen was nothing phases me anymore. I've been holding both AMC and GME since January. I'm going nowhere. Time for happy hour. There you go, Christine. Let's see. What's GME at right now? It's 165, 166. It's about what it's at. Bottom ticked 11 shares at 160. TJ Shores. There you go, buddy. I don't know. That's literally the bottom tick. That's literally the bottom. Good job. I don't know how you did that, but that's pretty nuts. All right. All right. Let's see if anything else came out. Nothing yet. Can you get the NFT in the UK? I think so. Adam Aaron, if you go on Adam Aaron's Twitter, he does have some instructions on how to do that. The key is what GME's guidance was. They really need to start making moves, though. Yeah, I mean, they need to issue positive guidance, especially going into Q4, which Q4 is now, and then Q1 of next year. If they don't guide at all, then that's going to be bearish, which will probably get the guidance in the call. Complete luck. There you go, man. $160.14 is still very, very, very close to the bottom tick. Let's see, guys. AA posted a description. Yeah, I believe that's on Twitter. All right. Here's what we're going to do. Here is what we will do. So, hold on. This is what we're going to do. All right. So everybody that's chilling out in here, I am going to wrap it up for the day, but I'm going to put the link to TMI's live stream coming up in about a half hour right now. So make sure you guys click on this live stream, go drop some likes on it, and then get ready for the actual live to come out. Well, I'm going to do my best to get a video out for you guys later tonight. And then I'll see you guys early tomorrow morning at 8:45. But make sure you guys, I'll spam the link really quick. Make sure you guys go click on that link. and go hang out with PMI for a little bit until the earnings call starts. So thank you guys so much for showing all that support today. It means a whole lot. You guys are awesome. I'm feeling a little icky, but you guys made it a lot better. So thank you guys so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully I'm feeling a little bit better and we can make a lot more money, have another day like we did today. So peace, guys.